Looking for the best sheet metal nibbler without wasting money on the wrong tool? In this ranking, we're going from the weakest option to the strongest one, so by the end, you'll know exactly which pick fits your cutting jobs best. Coming in at the bottom of this ranking, this one is the most basic option of the group. That does not automatically make it bad because sometimes a simple tool is all you need. But compared with the others here, it feels more like an entry-level attachment for occasional jobs rather than a serious all-around pick. What it does well is keep things light, simple, and easy to understand. It is a drill-powered attachment designed for flat sheet metal, and that lightweight body makes it less tiring to handle for shortcuts. In my experience, tools like this make the most sense for someone who already has a drill and just wants a low-cost way to trim thin metal without jumping into a bigger, heavier setup. It also comes with the basic hardware you need to get started, which is helpful for first-time users. The problem is that this one has the narrowest comfort zone in the lineup. Its stated cutting ability is limited to thinner flat sheet, and it is not meant for corrugated or ridged roofing material, which immediately makes it less flexible than several competitors here. When you compare it with the stronger double-head attachments and the cordless models higher up the list, it just does not give you the same confidence for tougher work or a wider range of cutting situations. This is the kind of tool I would point toward a casual DIY user who only cuts thin, flat sheet once in a while and wants to spend as little as possible. If that sounds like you, it can still do the job. But if you want more cutting strength or more freedom, the next options start to look much more appealing. Links to all products from this review at the best price are in the description under the video. In fourth place, we have a cordless option that instantly feels more modern and more convenient than the first product. Right away, the big selling point is obvious. Instead of relying on a separate drill, this one gives you a more self-contained experience, and that alone makes it more attractive for people who move around a lot while working. The cordless design is the main reason this model pulls ahead of the previous pick. It uses a brushless motor, has a stated speed of 1,900 revolutions per minute, and it is built to work with DeWalt 20-volt batteries, which is a real plus if you already own tools on that platform. Compared with a basic attachment, it feels like a more practical choice for repeated use because you are not constantly thinking about drill compatibility or setup. It also includes an assist handle and extra blades, which adds a little more value and makes it seem more ready for actual use right out of the box. That said, this is still not one of the strongest entries in the ranking, because the published specs are not as consistent or as confidently documented as I would like. Some listings sound stronger than others, and when you are comparing cutting tools, that matters. Against the products above it, this one loses ground because the details are not quite as clean and dependable. And just like many battery tools sold this way, the battery itself is not included, so the real cost can climb quickly if you are not already in that system. I think this one makes the most sense for people who want cordless freedom and already own compatible batteries, but who are also willing to accept a little uncertainty in the published details. It is a step up from a light-duty attachment, no question, but the next product does a slightly better job of balancing convenience with a more complete spec picture. And before we move on, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you want more honest, easy-to-follow tool rankings like this. Taking third place, this one is another cordless nibbler, but it feels a little more complete on paper than the previous model. It still has that battery-powered convenience people love, but when you line up the available details, this option gives a slightly stronger sense of what you are actually getting. The appeal here is pretty easy to understand. You get cordless operation, compatibility with a widely used battery platform, and published claims that point to 1,900 revolutions per minute performance with capacity up to 16 gauge mild steel. Compared with the two drill-driven attachments lower in the ranking, this one is simply more convenient for moving around a workshop, climbing a ladder, or taking on jobs where a cord or separate drill setup becomes annoying. It is the kind of tool that feels more purpose-built for the job, rather than a workaround. Still, it is not perfect, and that is why it stops at number 3. One issue is weight, because at 4.49 pounds, it is noticeably heavier than the lighter attachment style options. The other issue is that while the available specs are better organized than the previous cordless model, the strongest information still comes mostly from seller listings, instead of deep first-party technical documentation. So, compared with the top two, it gives you convenience but not quite the same level of confidence in terms of published support and technical clarity. This is a good pick for someone who values mobility first and wants a cordless nibbler that looks more capable and more defined than the budget-friendly alternatives. But if your priority is stronger spec support and a more convincing overall value story, the next two products do a better job of standing out. In second place, we have a product that feels like the sweet spot between basic affordability and serious cutting ability. This one is still a drill attachment, so it does not have the grab-and-go freedom of a cordless unit, but once you look at the published cutting capacity and design, it becomes clear why it ranks so high. The big strength here is capability. A stated steel capacity up to 14 gauge is a major step above the light-duty option at the bottom of this list, and the double head design with a 360-degree adjustable cutting head gives it more versatility for straight cuts, curves, and circles. That makes it a more ambitious tool than the entry-level attachment, and in practical use, it looks like the kind of product that can handle more than just the occasional quick trim. If you already have a suitable drill, this starts to look like a strong value move because you're getting a lot more cutting potential without paying for a fully standalone power tool. Where it loses to the number one product is not really in the concept, but in the quality of the published documentation. This is one of those tools that sounds very promising and probably works well for the right user, but the strongest information around it still leans heavily on marketplace listings. Compared with the top-ranked option, it just does not feel quite as well supported by clear, official technical detail. And of course, like any attachment, it still depends on your drill doing its part. This is a great match for someone who wants stronger cutting performance than the entry-level attachments, and does not mind using a drill-powered setup to get it. For many DIY users and home workshop owners, this could honestly be the practical value pick of the bunch. But if you want the most complete and best documented package overall, there is still one product left that takes the top spot. And in first place, we have the VEVOR option, which stands out as the most convincing all-around product in this comparison. It is not the flashiest because it is still a drill attachment, rather than a fully cordless standalone tool. But when you look at the published specs, the included accessories, and the overall level of detail, it simply looks like the most complete package here. This is the one that feels the most dialed in. You get a clearly stated drill speed range, defined cutting limits for carbon steel and stainless steel, a 360-degree rotating head, and even a stated minimum cutting radius, which helps paint a much clearer picture of what the tool is meant to do. On top of that, it includes extra accessories, which adds to the sense that you are buying a more thought-out kit rather than just a basic attachment tossed in a box. Compared with the Dicfeos model, the overall documentation feels stronger and more reassuring. And compared with the cordless models, it gives you more confidence in the technical side of the purchase. Its biggest downside is also pretty obvious. It still needs an external drill, so it cannot match the convenience of a cordless nibbler when you are moving around or working in tighter spots. For some people, that will matter a lot. But when I weigh everything together, including the clarity of the published specs and the broader sense of reliability in the product presentation, this one comes out on top. This is the product I would recommend to buyers who want the strongest balance of verified capability, flexibility, and overall confidence before they spend their money. It feels like the safest choice for someone who wants a well-documented sheet metal nibbler setup and is perfectly happy to power it with a drill. Take another look at the top products using the links in the description under the video and pick the one that matches the way you actually work. And if this review helped you narrow it down, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward product rankings.